Hello friends, welcome to Twin Sisters Country Cooking channel. Today we're going to make a beet salad, and this salad is supposed to help with digestion and overall health. I'm pretty excited to make this salad. We're always looking for healthier options for lunches as we come into summer. So let's get started. So we're going to start off by slicing a cabbage, and I'm going to slice it in half to make it a little more manageable. Okay, we're going to slice this cabbage up into slices. So I have no idea how much of this stuff I should put in this salad. So we're gonna wing it. And I'm just gonna add what I think looks good for a salad for lunch. Because other than that, I just don't have any measurements at all. So we're just gonna add what we think will be good in a salad as far as the amounts go. We're going to mix up a sauce that will go over our salad. So we have here some olive oil, lemon juice, honey, and some salt and pepper. And our beets. So we're going to toss this, and then we're going to put on our dressing and toss it again. This looks really good. Now this salad, they say, the ingredients is really good for digestion. So as we get older, we're always looking for foods that help with our digestion. Okay, now we'll pour our dressing. Okay, now we need to try this salad. That looks really good. So I can taste the beets and the spinach and the onions and the dressing. This is a good salad. It'll give you an option, and it's healthy. It's good for digestion. So I can't see where you'd go wrong. Oh, that's delicious. That is really good. Well, folks, thank you for stopping by. If you could, hit that like button, ring the bell, and subscribe. It really helps our channel. And you have a wonderful day. We'll see you next video. Bye-bye.